Hello everyone, from Alice. DWX 43W mills workpieces with a shooting coolant. Therefore, as I said, it is required to replace the coolant. Otherwise, milling waste enters the machine and the machine may deteriorate. These are the necessary tools to replace coolant, and these are included in the DWX 43W. Prepare a brush separately if it is necessary. And replace coolant when operating time exceeds 20 hours or when 14 days passes since the previous replacement. Open the V panel and select the machine to operate. Click Coolant icon, then Coolant Tank Cleaning and Coolant Replacement window is displayed. Before starting coolant replacement, open the front cover and remove workpiece and jig if they are attached. After removing workpiece and jig, open the bottom cover of the machine and pull out the coolant tank. Remove the lid of the coolant tank and the basket filter from the coolant tank. After that, remove the inside lid from the coolant tank. Now, let's start cleaning the basket filter. Remove the lid from the basket filter and clean the inside of the filter with using spatula to remove milling waste. After cleaning the inside of the basket filter with spatula, wash milling waste away with water. Repeat these processes until filter becomes clean. Remove the drain cap from the coolant tank and drain the coolant. Coolant may harm the environment, therefore dispose coolant in an appropriate way. After draining the coolant, clean the inside of the coolant tank. Remove the milling waste inside of the coolant tank with the spatula first. Then, pour water in the tank and use spatula to remove the dirt again. If there is dirt on the tank filter, clean with brush. After cleaning the coolant tank, put a new coolant in the tank. Attach the drain cap inside lid and basket filter to the tank first. In order to make a new coolant, mix water and additive, ZAW 1000 days, in the ratio of 95:5. Then, mix the solution and chelating reagent, ZCH 250 days, in the ratio of 400:1. When it is mixed well, pour it into the coolant tank. After filling the tank with new coolant, put the tray and lid on the tank. Finally, return the tank to the inside of the machine, close the bottom cover, and click Next on V panel. Then, rinsing and cleaning processes will start automatically. These processes take time. Wait until these processes finish. When these finish, coolant replacement is completed. Open V panel and select the machine to operate. Then click this icon. This window is displayed and select front, rear, or reverse side. When clicking front, the rotary axis unit moves to the front of the machine and the spindle head moves to the left side of the machine. When clicking rear, the rotary axis unit moves to the back of the machine and the spindle head moves to the right side of the machine. When clicking reverse side, the rotary axis unit turns over. In this video, I selected the front. Open the front cover and clean the inside of the machine. After cleaning the inside of the machine, wipe the spindle head well. Finally, clean the rotary axis unit. After cleaning them, close the front cover and click the Close button. Now, cleaning the milling area is completed. Thank you for listening and watching our video. If you need further assistance, contact us through the live chat on DGSHAPE.com. Our team is ready to help. Also, remember to follow our social media accounts. DGSHAPE, your needs are focus.